Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by signing into the Google account that holds the video history you want removed. Once signed in, go straight to My Activity and choose the filters or search option. This targets video or YouTube entries only. Make sure you select the correct date range or leave it set to all time if you want everything. Next, review the list quickly. You'll be picking items now. This step narrows the scope, so deletions are precise and avoid removing unrelated activity. Now you'll remove the entries you selected. You can click individual checkboxes or use the Select All option for that filtered view. Once done, click Delete and confirm when prompted. If you're deleting a lot, work in chunks by date range to avoid missing items and to keep the interface responsive. Make sure to check both video activity and any linked YouTube watch/search records. Once deleted, those items are removed from your activity log and won't influence recommendations. Finish by enabling auto-delete if you want Google to purge video history after 3, 18, or 36 months. That prevents future buildup. Also open the YouTube app and clear its watch and search histories because device-level caches can persist. If deleted items seem to reappear, sign out across devices, clear browser or app cache, then sign back in. This forces syncing. If problems continue, verify you deleted entries under the correct account. That resolves most sync or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.